the sign of function of integration. This is the second part of integration. Okay, so integration of sin x dx. What is the formula of sin dx x and dx? So x is sin x. X means what is the coefficient is 1. So the formula sin x of integration, that is minus cos x. It is easy to remember. If this is the input, this is the output. In amplifier, I give the input signal, so I give the microphone, and output is connected to speaker. If the input and this is the output, if the output is letter is C, then you have to most minus sign. It is easy to remember. Okay. Similarly, integration of cos x equal to sin x. Okay, this is output, the letter is not C, that not negative. Okay, so I have to basically on the on sin and cos. Okay, the sin 3x. In sin 3x, what is the integration? Question is given, that is a minus cos 3x. What is the constant is that? The constant is divided plus C. Similar questions, cos 8x into dx. Okay, so what is the cos 8x? That is sin 8x by 8 plus C. Okay, similarly I give the formula cosec x into cot x. The cosec x and cot x, what is the integration formula? Is cot x, but the result is C, the letter is in minus plus C. Okay. Similarly, on the basing, cosec 3x cot 3x, what is the integration? I give the question, that is minus cot 3x. What is the constant is 3, we can divide. Okay. Similarly, sec x into tan x into dx. What is the formula? Sec into tan x, that is the tan x plus c. Okay, so on basing the formula, so sec 8x into tan 8x into dx. Okay, so what is the derivative of sec x? Sec and tan, it is a reverse operation, so that's why the sec 8x and tan 8x, you have to remember this value and this value. Sec 8x and tan must be equal. Okay, the result is 8 sec 8x. What is the constant is coefficient of x? That 8 divided by 8 plus c. Okay. Okay. In case of a tan x, log x, sec x, cosec x, and cot x has no integration formula. That's why you have to indirectly applicable. How can we explain later on? Okay. First, you have to using an adjust formula. How can adjust? So x by x plus 3. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Take. Right. Okay. X by x plus 3 into ds. What is the integration? How can calculate it? The integration has no division formula. This is numerator denominator. So that's why. So this plus 3, we can add plus 3 and minus 3. So that's why 0. Plus 3 minus 3 x plus 3 into dx. So the x plus 3 by x plus 3 minus 3 by x plus 3. We can write x plus 3 by x plus 3 into dx minus integration. Constant is there. So 1 by x plus 3 dx. Okay. So x plus 3 by x plus 3 we cancel, then dx, the 1 by x plus 3 is 1 by x, you have to remember that, or that is x plus 3 is a 1, the power is 1, then you have to most applicable the log. Okay, 3 log x plus 3 plus c. Similarly, I give the questions x by x minus 5 dx, we can do x by x minus 5 into dx, x by x plus 8. Your homework is given, you have to done. If any doubt, then ask. Okay. Similarly, you have to adjust. This is a adjust of integration, adjustment of integration. E to the power sine inverse x divided by 1 minus x square into dx. Okay. First of all, you have to remember what is the derivative of sine inverse x. The sine inverse x means 1 by 1 minus x the square upon square root. Okay. So, in case of a, first of all, you have to remember that the integration has no division formula. Okay. What is the derivative? The sine inverse x, that is a derivative 1 minus x square upon square root. So that's why put t is, we can any variable taking t is equal to sine, sorry, this is the question sine x. Okay, sine x, sine inverse x. Okay, okay, so you have to put e to the sine inverse x is equal to t, that is x is equal to sine t. Okay, then the derivative both sides, x derivative dx and sine t. Okay, dt. Okay, sorry. So the what is the derivative of t, that is dt. Sine inverse x, what is the derivative? 1 by 1 minus x the square into dx. Okay. So in case of integration, you have to not apply two variables. So that's why what is the sine inverse x? Put the t in the t, 1 by 1 minus x square. Okay. So the dx, if you put the t value, we cannot write any x term. So that's why the dx is 1 by 1 minus x square root. This is a division, you have to multiply. So dt 1 minus a square root into dx. What is the value of ds equivalent? This term will be put in this case. Okay. 1 minus a square into dt. Okay. So this term will cancel. This term will cancel. The e to the power t dt. In exponential function, e to the t is e to the power t. Okay. Plus c. But this is not completed integration answer. But the question is given x. That's why. So that's why you have to convert it as x. What is the value t? T is the sine inverse x. You have to put this value e to the power sine inverse x plus c. Complete. Okay. Similarly, questions integration e to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So in this case, similarly, you have to remember what is the derivative of this function. 1 plus x, not a derivative tan inverse, but the tan inverse x derivative 1 plus x square. Okay. So that's why put k is equal to tan inverse x. Okay. Taking the both side derivative, k is a originated, the derivative dk, del k. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. So the the 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square is the multiply this term, 1 plus x square is equal to dx. Why in this indirectly method? Because the division formula is not there, integration, that's why to indirectly method. So e to the tan inverse x, what is the value of put k, e to the power k divided by 1 plus x square. What is dx value? What is the value equivalent? Dx is equal to dk into 1 plus x square. So dk into 1 plus x square. The 1 plus x cancel, e to the power k dk. Integration in the exponential function is same exponential function. The answer is there, but this is not completed because the question has given x value. That's why it converted as a x term. So k is a tan inverse. Put this value k. So e to the power tan inverse x plus c. Similar questions are given 2x e to the power tan inverse x square divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Okay. In this case, tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. But in this case, x is what is the value? X square. X square means x to the power 4. Okay. And then x square derivative to x. Okay. Similarly, put tan inverse x square is equal to t. Then what is the tan inverse x derivative? That is 1 by 1 plus what is x? X is x square. X square square and square. And what is the derivative x square? The 2x. 2x dx into dt. Okay. So then that is the value 2x by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx into dt. Okay. So 2x is multiplied, 1 plus x to the 4 is divided. So we have to opposite side. The dx is equal to 1 plus x to the power 4 by 2x dt. Okay. So I go to the original. The tan inverse x square, put the t value, e to the power t divided by 1 plus x to the power 4 by 1 plus x to the power 4 2x into dt. Okay. The 2x 2x cancel, this term this cancel, then I get the result e to the power t dt. Okay. So e to the power t, the exponential function is e to the power t plus c. Okay. So what is the value of t at taking? Put the value this term. This term you have to put the value tan inverse x square plus c. Okay. Completed. Similar questions are given to homework. 2x e to the power sin inverse s square divided by 1 minus x to the power 4 this. Similar case, this sin inverse x derivative 1 by 1 minus x square. What is the value x square? X square x to the 4 and x square derivative 2x. You have to put this value. This is a SATBT diploma questions, possible questions arises. So integration log x by x dx. Okay.